What if we told you that one of rock's most electrifying guitarists, who lit up stages for over 6 decades, just took his final bow at 77? Yes, Rick Derringer, the man whose fingers birthed the unforgettable riffs of Hang On Sloopy and the rebellious roar of rock and roll, Hoochie Koo, passed away on May 26, 2025. In this video, you'll journey through his legendary career, his staggering net worth, a jaw-dropping estate tour, his love for luxury cars, the inside scoop on his 2 marriages, and the truth behind his peaceful yet shocking death. Like this video if you love celebrity lifestyle deep dives. Born Richard Derringer in Fort Recovery, Ohio in 1947, Rick first tasted fame in the mid-60s as part of the McCoys, before becoming a powerhouse collaborator with legends like Edgar Winter, Johnny Winter, Steely Dan, Alice Cooper, and even Weird Al Yankovic. His solo career exploded in the 70s, carving out his place in rock's wild tapestry. But where did all that fame lead him? With multiple income streams, from royalties and tours to production credits, Derringer amassed an estimated net worth of $12 million. Now picture this, a sprawling estate in Florida where every room screams rock royalty. As you can see, this marble hallway stretches 50 feet into a private wing. The master bedroom, complete with a vaulted ceiling, gold-threaded drapes, and a private balcony overlooking the manicured acres. Hidden behind a bookshelf lies a secret room he called his jam cave, filled with vintage amps, platinum records, and rare guitars. Rick's lifestyle was a vibrant mix of luxury and simplicity. He splurged on rare guitars, silk-lined jackets, and custom boots, but his greatest joy came from late-night jam sessions and his beloved rescue dog, Mojo. Outside, you'll spot a pearl-white Bentley and a restored 1969 Shelby GT500 parked near the koi pond, both tricked out with custom interiors in blood-red leather and polished walnut panels. But luxury couldn't hold back fate. Despite undergoing triple bypass surgery earlier this year, Derringer died peacefully in his sleep, surrounded by his wife, Jenda Derringer, and longtime bandmate and caretaker, Tony Wilson. Though no official cause was announced at first, it was later revealed his heart gave out following a sudden shock, and he was taken off life support at a Florida hospital. Comment below, which of Rick's songs still gives you goosebumps? His relationship with Jenda, especially, stood the test of time. She was not only his wife, but also his backup vocalist and fiercest defender. He leaves behind 2 children, whom he shared with his first wife, Liz Agris, a former Rolling Stone journalist. While their marriage ended in the 90s, they remained amicable, co-parenting their kids with mutual respect. His second marriage to Jenda lasted over 3 decades, filled with musical collaborations, family life, and quiet devotion. Off-stage, Rick was known for his quirky habits. He meditated daily, collected comic books, and was almost never seen without his trademark tinted glasses. He adored vintage watches, practiced Tai Chi, and loved crafting model airplanes. Close friends say he could spend hours reading Civil War history or quietly strumming a dobro by the fire. Celebrities like Joe Walsh, Ringo Starr, Gene Simmons, and Billy Gibbons have already paid tribute, calling him a guitar wizard, a true original, and the gentlest soul in leather. So don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping mansion tours and powerful celebrity stories. Rick Derringer's legacy isn't just measured by record sales or guitar solos. It's carved into the soul of American rock history. And now, as the curtain falls, we salute a man who lived fast, played louder, and left us all Hoochie Koo-ed.